Hi guys, good morning. Today is Thursday, so we will be having our one-time practice for our graduation day. So it's already 4:25 in the morning, and I'll be getting ready. I already done showering. I'm gonna go maybe at 4:50.
Ayun nga, ang dami ko ng ipit ni
Labasan ng lab.
ni AJ.
Mr. Urmaza. Lord. Resari Adrian Reed.
Nung last time. Ayaw ko na. Ihiwalay talaga.
Pangit na yung tayo sa taas.
So hi guys, I just got home. No, kanina pa. Mga anong oras naman?
7:30 na. 7:50?
7:50. Okay, it's already 7:50. So kanina pa ako nakauwi, mga 6:30 or basta mga 6 mga ganun. So hindi na ako nakapag-video while nagko-commute kasi natulog ako sa jeep. Tapos nilakad ko pa yung Cubao hanggang PIP. Kasi dun yung sakay ng Taytay sana. Kaso ang tagal ng jeep. So ang sinakyan ko hanggang dyan lang sa junction. So, yeah. So, kanina nag-practice kami ng ceremony this coming Monday. And then pagtapos nun kumain kami, tapos pagtapos nun nag-TikTok kami with Adi, and then umakit kami, billiards kami, and then kami nag-TikTok ulit with Neil tsaka kay with Ange, Neil and Ange, and then uwi na kami, nagkanya-kanya na kami uwi, and then ayun, so tagal. Sakit ng ulo ko. Sakit ng lalamunan ko. Sana hindi ako ubuhin at sipunin. Oh my God. So yeah. Bye guys. See you on Monday. No. See you on Sunday. No. See you on Saturday. Because I'll be ready my bag for our one night staycation. No. Stay in hotel sa MOA, near MOA. So yeah, bye guys.